Sige, ang birthday ko wish lang po is first of all, maraming salamat to everybody who came here. And with my fellow classmates who are here today, maraming salamat. Another year, and I just wish the best for my young girlie na wish ko.
Wow, yes! That was so sweet. Thank you so much, Michael and Jillian. Ano yung wish mo sa iyong birthday?
Siyempre po, good health.
Grabe naman! Ay! Grabe! Ay!
Thank you. Ang wish ko, good health palagi. Sana po, tuloy-tuloy ang mailang girl na mapasisa.
Tama. Ilang season lang po yung wish ko na magkaroon? Season 300.
Sigat na po kahalan and always i-protect your family, especially yung mama ko na nanonood. Nandiyan siya sa backstage. I love you, mama. Ayun lang po. And I love you, guys.
Yeah! At kasi yung galing sa katobol ni Jillian. Guys, palakpakan natin si Jillian Lopalay. Aba, Woohoo!
Hello?
Anong wish mo sa birthday ni Jillian? Wala, sana magkaroon ng may,